Brazil tightens oversight of crypto firms with new central bank rules. Bitcoin. Brazil. Regulation. The rules aim to make Brazil's $319 billion crypto market more secure and transparent. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Brazil's central bank has introduced a sweeping new regulatory framework for digital asset service providers, extending anti-money laundering, AML, and counter-terrorism financing rules to the country's growing crypto sector. Key takeaways. Brazil's central bank will require all crypto service providers to obtain authorization by November 2026. The new framework classifies stablecoin transactions and cross-border crypto transfers as foreign exchange operations. The rules aim to make Brazil's $319 billion crypto market more secure and transparent. The move marks one of the most significant steps yet in Brazil's push to integrate virtual assets into its financial system while curbing illicit activity. Brazil to require crypto firms to obtain central bank approval by November 2026. The rules, announced Monday, will take effect in February 2026 and will require virtual asset service providers, VASPs, including intermediaries, custodians, and brokers, to obtain authorization from the central bank before operating. The framework mandates strict compliance measures on governance, transparency, internal controls, cybersecurity, and risk management, bringing crypto firms under the same supervisory standards as traditional financial institutions. Companies will have until November 2026 to meet the requirements or cease operations. Under the new regulations, any purchase, sale, or exchange of fiat-pegged stablecoins will be treated as a foreign exchange transaction, as will the use of crypto for international transfers or settlements. If such transactions involve unauthorized counterparties, they will be capped at $100,000, the bank said. The rules are part of Brazil's broader effort to tighten oversight following a surge in stablecoin usage, which authorities say is increasingly being used for payments and cross-border transfers rather than investment. New rules will reduce the scope for scams, fraud, and the use of virtual asset markets for money laundering, said Gil Nuvivan, the bank's director of regulation, at a press briefing. The framework builds on Brazil's 2022 crypto law, which established a legal basis for virtual assets but required additional central bank regulations to take effect. With the new measures, Brazil aims to cement its status as Latin America's regulatory leader in digital finance. According to Chainalysis, Brazil is now the 5th largest crypto market globally, handling nearly $319 billion in crypto transactions between mid-2024 and mid-2025. Roughly a third of all Latin American activity. The central bank expects the updated rules to make the country's fast-growing digital economy more secure, transparent, and aligned with international financial standards. Brazil debates $19 billion Bitcoin reserve plan to hedge against dollar. As reported, Brazil's Congress is debating the creation of a $19 billion Bitcoin strategic reserve, dubbed RESBIT, aimed at diversifying the country's financial holdings and reducing reliance on the US dollar. The proposal, part of Bill 450124, was discussed during a public hearing on August 20th led by the Economic Development Commission in Brasilia. Lawmakers, economists, and crypto experts argued that Bitcoin could serve as a digital commodity similar to gold, providing a hedge against inflation and geopolitical risks. If approved, Brazil would become one of the first major economies to formally hold Bitcoin as part of its national reserves, joining efforts already underway in El Salvador, the U.S., and parts of Asia. The initiative would place the Central Bank of Brazil and the Finance Ministry in charge of custody and oversight, requiring biannual reports on performance and risk exposure to ensure transparency. However, the plan faces significant hurdles. It must pass through 4 congressional committees, including Economic Development, Science and Technology, Finance and Justice, before reaching the Senate. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. XRP price prediction. Post-swell volatility, traders watch for confirmation of the XRP death cross and next move. XRP boss says Fed plans could be game changer. For Ripple XRP price prediction. 20-day countdown begins. Could the first XRP ETF send prices to $1,000? Altcoin news. High-profile Ethereum MEV fraud trial collapses as judge declares mistrial. 2 days ago, by Amin Ayan. Bitcoin news. Analyst says Bitcoin dominance breakdown could signal incoming altcoin season. 2 days ago, by Amin Ayan. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP ranked number 2 by analysts, just behind Bitcoin, ahead of Solana and Doge. For days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. For days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 19 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 14 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 14 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 days ago, by Ben Beto.